So here I'm greeted by all of my open support cases that I have within Cisco. And this list of cases is for any case that's opened under all of the contracts that I have linked under my company account within IQ. So it's not just cases that I personally have opened up, but all of my peers in my company that are working under the same contract numbers and effectively under the same company account within IQ. All of that's aggregated here. We know that some customers need to be able to hand off case information from one shift to the next. So they need to be able to share this information between the submitter and other people on their team. Companies have various ways on how they've solved this in the past, but with Cisco IQ, we unify all of that information together so that when you're onboarded in Cisco IQ, you can see the cases that your peers have opened up. You can get access to those details, help attach case files, see the history, and engage with TAC accordingly. Now, if I'm interested in seeing cases that just I submitted, I also have down here some personal pre-canned filters to be able to see just my cases or my RMAs. If I know a specific case number and I need to find it here, I can search in the list and it'll return just that case. Or I could apply filters, maybe only look at SEV1 and SEV2 SRs. If I want to see just my cases, I can also easily just click this button right here, and it'll also filter to just my cases, like you would also be able to get down on this menu. If I want to apply other filters, I can go to these filters, and then you can see the other filters that I can apply to be able to edit what I'm able to see in this list. Now, maybe I want to manipulate these columns and see extra information in this table natively. You click this column picker, and then I can select additional columns that I'd like to have visible in the table, so maybe contract number. And then I can also rearrange the order of these if I want to change the sequence of how they show up in the table. Finally, maybe I want to squeeze more data in. I can also change the table density. So let's go do condensed and try to squeeze more information in. You can see how it manipulates my view. Now, finally, you might want to export this data to Excel or CSV. So I have the ability to go do that. And then I can also, again, pick the columns I want in the export and rearrange the sequence of those as needed.